In 2015, I started Sickle Cell Foundation of Minnesota. Our mission is to improve the quality of life for individuals and communities affected by sickle cell disease and sickle cell trait. We do that by providing programs and resources to meet the needs of individuals, families, and healthcare professionals in the sickle cell community. We provide ongoing education to patients, families, caregivers, and medical providers through our Sickle Smart Education Initiative. In 2022, we launched Sickle Smile, our community behavioral health and wellness program. We also assist with concrete needs and provide critical support to help patients and families navigate the social and financial burdens associated with having a serious chronic condition like sickle cell. Many of these patients and families don't have the resources to afford some of the basic medications or even get themselves to vital follow-up appointments. So the foundation provides a variety of patient assistance programs to address the needs that often get in the way of their ability to maintain and maximize their health. Our advocacy and action programs provide ways to incorporate the voices and lived experiences of those living with the burdens of this disease. We help to provide a voice to the voiceless and to make sure we have representation when and where critical decisions are being made so that we can impact the trajectory and outcomes for thousands of people right here in Minnesota. We're incredibly proud that Sickle Cell Foundation of Minnesota does a lot, but we do it with very little. But there's so much more to do, and so much more that we could be doing, and so much more that we need to be doing. These patients, their families, and this community deserves more. Over the past few years, we've heard a lot about the concept of equity, about righting former wrongs, about focusing on communities that have historically been forgotten or ignored. That's great, and it's long overdue. But what we don't hear enough of is how and what we can do today to help the people and communities who have historically been seen or treated as less than by organizations and institutions. Donating to Sickle Cell Foundation of Minnesota is a way that you can step up today and help create a more equitable world for people who have all too often been left out. Please help us continue and expand the important work that we do every day right here in Minnesota. To help the entire community of people impacted by sickle cell disease, we need your support. And we know you can do it. We thank you in advance.